Cold chain monitoring with IoT and AI. Let's talk about another amazing and highly relevant technology known as cold chain monitoring with IoT and AI. Imagine receiving a delivery of fresh vaccines, frozen seafood, or perishable fruits, and wondering how these sensitive products stayed in perfect condition throughout their journey. Cold chain monitoring is the backbone of ensuring that temperature-sensitive goods remain safe, effective, and high quality from the manufacturer to the end customer. Companies like Pfizer or Nestle rely heavily on this technology to protect their products and avoid costly spoilage or compliance issues. So, what exactly is cold chain monitoring with IoT and AI? In simple terms, it is a system that uses Internet of Things devices, like sensors and trackers, to continuously measure environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, and light exposure during storage and transportation. These devices send real-time data to cloud platforms, where AI algorithms analyze it, detect anomalies, and even predict potential failures before they happen. While cold chain logistics has been around for decades, the integration of IoT sensors and AI analytics has revolutionized it over the last 10 years, making it more intelligent, automated, and proactive. Let's understand how this technology works step by step. Our first type is IoT sensor monitoring. Small sensors are attached to each shipment or pallet to record temperature, humidity, and vibration levels. Our next type is real-time data transmission, where these sensors send continuous updates to cloud-based monitoring platforms. The third type is AI-based predictive analytics, which analyzes the data to detect deviations from optimal conditions and predict potential risks, like a cooling system failure during transit. Finally, automated alerts and actions allow warehouse managers or transport operators to take immediate corrective measures, such as adjusting cooling or rerouting shipments. This ensures products never get compromised. The uses of this technology are vast. One key use is in pharmaceutical supply chains, where vaccines and medications must remain within strict temperature ranges to remain effective. Another use is in food and beverage logistics, ensuring fresh produce, dairy, and frozen goods reach stores safely. A top real-life case study is DHL, which faced challenges with temperature excursions and product spoilage in its cold chain shipments. In 2020, DHL implemented IoT-enabled sensors across its refrigerated fleet and storage facilities, integrated with AI predictive monitoring tools. As a result, they reported a reduction of temperature-related losses by over 20%, faster detection of potential failures, and improved customer confidence in sensitive shipments. So, in a nutshell, we simply seen that cold chain monitoring with IoT and AI is a transformative technology that ensures temperature-sensitive products remain safe and high quality throughout the supply chain. Hopefully, you like this concept, because it shows how combining sensors, real-time data, and intelligent analytics can protect products, save costs, and improve customer satisfaction.